Very good morning to all. Today, I'm going to present the need and importance of business intelligence. My name is S.THULASIMANI, MBA. I'm actually I completed my doctorate. I'm working as assistant professor in Department of Business Administration (PG) in our college. Today, we are going to discuss about the importance and need of business intelligence. What exactly this business intelligence is? It is nothing but properly as we one way if we think it as like astrology, okay, as we people predict the data wherever we go. Data is very important for predicting the future. Likewise, this data predictive intelligence is very important for processing informations and data, and that must be made available to the people who need the data for understanding and making decisions. Now, today in this current year, that is 2025, almost all types of organization, right from government organization, medical organizations, research and development, wherever we go. Okay, that is here. This business intelligence tools are very much needed because wherever data has to be processed and it has to be made available for the people rightly needed. As we know that market is going very fast. Okay, it is very any data mismatching, and if the data when it is being processed, if it is not processed properly also there comes various problems. So nowadays business intelligence matters a lot. So it is a challenging aspect as when we in a top note it is simple, but when we go in deeper, it is a challenging aspect that uh, has to be attained, and the problems whatever it is data processing involves that has to be corrected and made available. So it is important for anybody to see that data has to be represented to the people who were needed, and the represented data has to be corrected and validated, and it has to be readily made available for the people who were needs the data. So design thinking, in the perspective of design thinking, we analyze business intelligence in such a way that any data or any tools that is tailor-made must be tailor-made, and it must be made available to people whoever needs, and however in the whatever methodology they can solve. So various brainstorming sessions and continuous experimental methods has to be applied to find out the methods and the need, how it has to be fit in to the environment. So this business intelligence has, when we combine with the design thinking, the data that is collected should be relevant to the problem that has to be addressed. If it is not relevant, it will not match the situation. So prototyping, according to situation, whichever is needed has to be addressed and given in a proper way. So when we analyze any marketing case as such, or any case for that matter, this reduction in data request, okay, data is more important for knowing the market, who needs and what product they need, and what was the history where the product was processed and given to the people according to their satisfaction, that has to be properly administered. So those faster insights are there, so it will be addressed and it will be taken. So business intelligence, it's simply like intelligence of a human being. Any man who is more intelligent will be properly analyzing the problem and giving solution. Likewise, the system of the business intelligence has to be properly developed, so it will be easily what available to the user, and they can easily innovate changes in their product or market or employee issues or whatever it might be. So nowadays it is a very big competitive factor. Whoever knows to analyze the market and whoever knows to predict the situation, they do accordingly, and they give proper situation, and they give everything in a proper situation, and they monitor situation people. So it is a predictive power of people to analyze situations. So the system also should be developed in a way that it will be easily available for people. So any an environment with adequate data, and the data which is processed in the form of information is a rich environment. If there is no data, there is no information. So the information is actually a knowledge for people. So when it is not given in a proper way, it will not be promoting the environment. So it becomes the need of any organization to transform the business environment in a way, and prototypically and strategically, knowing the need of the situation, they should develop a environment. So wherever the information needed, people will be taking the information, and they'll be judging the situations. I take this opportunity for patiently listening, and thank everyone for patiently listening.